Yeah, you didn't make a hit. You can move your car though, because you kind of pinned him in. You weren't supposed to be moving. So we'll get Corey to move out of the way as 0-0. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Situation, Adam. Hold her. Adam determined in the double. Pushes him right against the wall and pins him. 23 making the pattern. And they're picking on poor old Adam tonight. Oh, Adam can't even get loose. These drivers are just pounding him to death. Got a lot of motor, but now he's hooked up into the bumper. Will he get loose? If Adam's time gets kicked off, we've got our three drivers. And it buries him right into the barrier. It's Dex Ellis with 128, Gus Adams 133, Jared Lazenby at 151. Adam McDermott down to his last minute. Can he get out there? Adam, it's up to you. We have 17,000 up for grabs here, Adam.
Oh, you got stuck.
A chance to be in there. As we go to daisy chain, 23 and 44.